Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research, and in today's video I am going to give you certain tips regarding building a positive relationship with your supervisor. It is very important that you have to deal with your manager and supervisor to maintain good relationships and work towards a positive work ethic. So let me share my personal experiences here in this video so it could be helpful for you also. Those who are new to my channel, I share videos related to tech and research in this. So if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. So the first important step is take the initiatives. Supervisors and managers do like the people who take the initiatives. So whatever small task that has been assigned to you, take proper measures to complete that task and show the willingness and enthusiasm to work with the team and the people around with. The next important step is structure your time for discussion. Whatever discussion time is allotted to you, structure it properly. What are the things that you want to have and a discussion around? Give a proper agenda beforehand so it will be easy for supervisors to manage their time, and you also be clear with what are the objectives that you are looking for. Tip number 3, maintain a positive work ethic. It is very important to have a positive culture built around, maintain good relationship between the team, across the team members and the supervisors. So you just have personal communication, small personal talks in the meeting. Try to maintain a positive aura. Be punctual, try to be on time, try to take out the notes as much as you can, because then it will be easy for you to keep a track of the things that supervisors asked you to do in the next follow-up meeting. And the last important thing is ask for feedback and don't forget to set up goals. Ask for feedback whenever you are doing some research presentations or you have done some presentation. Just ask for feedback openly so that you can improvise and develop yourself. The last thing is to consider is set up goals. You must able to communicate your goals. What are you looking forward in this journey? What it is, what PhD means to you, what does postdoc means to you. It is very important and crucial that you convey this message clear and confidently to your supervisors and to your managers. This will help you a long way because they are also clear with the idea of what you are looking for and what you are trying to achieve. I hope you have got a confidence how to deal and maintain your relationships with supervisor. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.